I've told you I have these at my house. All right, these can be different colors. They like to eat grass. They make milk. What are they? It's a cow. My turn. Cow. Diphthong O-W. Ow. Say it with me. Cow. Diphthong O-W. Ow. Your turn. Cow. Diphthong O-W. Ow. All right, for digraph O-W. All right, this is something you girls know a little bit about. All right, it says O. It's something you put in your hair to make it beautiful. They can be big or small, all different colors. What is that? A bow. My turn. Bow. Digraph O-W. O. Say it with me. Bow. Digraph O-W. O. Your turn. O. Digraph O-W. O. All right. Now, my turn. Diphthong O-W is the regular spelling pattern. Most of the time, you're going to hear the ow sound for O-W. All right, so my turn. When I say ow, you're going to say O-U, final O-W. That means when you're spelling with the ow sound, most of the time, in the beginning, initial, medial position, you spell with O-U. In the end of the word or final position, you'll spell with O-W, like in snow, blow, grow. In the beginning of the word, like in out, you'll spell with O-U. Or like in the middle of the word, like house, mouse, you'll spell with O-U. So one more time. O-U in the beginning and middle of a word, final O-W. So on number 7, my turn. Ow. Yes, ow. Right. O-U, final O-W. Now, digraph O-W is also a regular spelling for the long O sound because final O can be spelled O-W. So, when I say O, like the long O sound, this is what you're now going to write. O consonant E, comma, O with a macron, final O-W. So, in words, if it's a long O sound, you can have O consonant E or O. At the end of a word, sometimes when you hear long O, it can be O-W. So write it on number 8. So you should have 7 and 8 already written now. Now let's practice some words with diphthong and digraph OW today. Number 9. Let's spell the word now. Write this word on your paper, now. Tell me the sounds you hear in now. Get ready. Ow. Write now on number 9. Now. All right, let's spell now. N-O-W, now. Number 10, grow, grow. I want to watch my plant grow, grow. Tell me the sounds you hear in grow. Get ready. G, R, O. Again. G, R, O. Spell grow on number 10. Spell grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. Number 11. Window. Window. 2-syllable word. Window. All right, tell me the sounds you hear in window. Get ready. W-I-N-D. O. Window. I will look out the window. Window. Spell it on number 11. Window. All right, spell window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. Window. All right, we've got the owl sound, the diphthong, and the O sound, the digraph. All right, one more time. Cow. Diphthong O-W says ow. Bow. Digraph O-W says oh. There you go. All right, now let's do some practice. Remember to have someone help you read the words and check them off at the bottom and practice spelling them. As we go through, you'll have some of those words on your spelling list at the bottom. All right, turn it to your practice with diphthong and digraph O-W. Number 1, what can we code? All right, we've got TH. Then we have OW. We're not for sure what sound yet. All right, so let's start with the diphthong sound and see if it makes sense. Ow, throw. Thumbs up or down, is that a word? I don't know a word called throw, do you? All right, so let's try the O sound. O, throw. Do you know a word throw? Yes, like you throw the ball, right? All right, so it's digraph OW. So long O. All right, do we have a picture that matches? Yes, we do. Draw a line to the picture. All right, number 2. All right, we have OW. Let's start with our diphthong sound and see if it makes sense. Ow, wow. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. All right, next word. What do we do? Final stable syllable, DLE. All right, our accent is on the first syllable. And then we have a vowel followed by a consonant is short. Let's sound it out. Add, dull, paddle. All right, this is a boat paddle. The next one. All right, we have digraph EA. All right, which sound should we try first? Long E, so let's try it first. Eek. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So put the macaron over the E, cross out the A, speak. The next one, we've got a sneaky E. It makes the vowel say its name. Flame. What word? Flame. Look, we have a flame on that candle. And the last one, that's the vowel Y. If it's a one-syllable word, it makes what sound? I, by. So we put our dot because it's a vowel Y, and then we put a macaron because it's the I sound. All right, we're reading about a suffix again today. When you add suffix S to a word, it can mean more than one. When you see a suffix, code it with a box. Then a root word should still be left. How do you code a suffix? Underline the sentence that tells you, boys and girls. How do you code a suffix? Underline the sentence that tells you and write it on the line. And it says when you see a suffix, code it with a box. Code it with a box. Remember, Miss Fire says when you code it, you can cover up the box and you should have a root word left. I just gave you the answer to number 8. What should be left after you box the suffix? A code, a root word, 1. All right, which sentence tells us? The last sentence. Then a root word should still be left. So once you box it, you should still have the root word left. If you don't, it's not a suffix. Number 9, suffix s means less than 1. Add suffix s to a word to mean more than 1. So is that right? No, it's wrong. No or false. That's wrong. All right, once you have that, you may turn it over, code the words on the back, and answer the questions on the back. You can upload it by taking a picture and putting it in the Google Docs that I've attached. Also, today I'll reattach the video for Lost and Found. You need to reread that book. You never know, I may put questions on the test from your decodable, okay, on your phonics test, so you really need to be reading that decodable. Making sure you've read it and you understand it, because that is part of your reading, is that phonics. All right, do your best work. All right, I'm looking for boys and girls who's completing their work to get their fun Friday activity. I'm looking. Do your best work.